let's go. Don't cause a wreck, Audi. Not supposed to turn from that lane. There's nowhere to turn. There's literally nowhere to turn. So my original plan for the next clip is to turn right. I wanted to turn right up ahead, and I saw that the Mercedes had turned right. So I planned to, but then I realized that was a merge, not an intersection. But while reviewing the clips, I see that you can turn right according to lane markings. However, this is not an intersection, it's a merge, so I don't know who's right and who's wrong.